What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dante. I'm back with another reaction video, and today I'm going to be reacting to Core Ending Racing Volume 1 through 11. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Some music on your phone. Sending it quiet and come show it. Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. Nigger. Holla, nigger. Holla, nigger. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass. Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggers at my slave house. 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 I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down. 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 Man, you got some damn music, man, sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. You know, I got the tunes. You crackers fucking all your brothers and sisters, yeah. You tried to kill your own mom, you need help. You shot the middle school up by yourself. You can't even season no meat, you need help. I know what'll make them crackers go crazy. I be running through their neighborhoods daily. Y'all be fucking monkeys cause y'all started HIV. They don't fuck with Jordans, they just wear Heelys. Y'all be running stings on an Android. You cracks be having babies by your blood cousin. I be laughing when I see a redneck homeless. Boy, I thought your white skin was a bonus. Shaking my head. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet ass call with your ass? Yeah, bro, I got the slaps. Take me back to slavery so I can rape these nigger ladies. I just need me a little slave boo. Little slave boo. Take me back to slavery cause I've been feeling racist lately. I just need me a nigger or two. Sometimes I wonder why. Man, you got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Time. Metro on that beat. These crackers don't know how to season chicken. That's why I don't trust them in the kitchen. I need me a snow bunny who gon' listen. Cause these black girls always fucking bitchin'. Racist police always wanna write some tickets. Boy, I was going 45 and a 50. They hanging niggas up in Mississippi. That's why I gotta keep a cracker vision. Bro, you got some music on your phone, sending it quiet and call with your ass. Yeah, you already know. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up. I woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. I woke up to niggas that skate. Woke up. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. Woke up to niggas that skate. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they running. You got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Shit. The fuck kind of question was that? Rednecks, fuck them rednecks, rednecks, fuck them rednecks, yeah, stinking wet, yeah, they stinking wet, they fuck their kids, and they fuck their pets, yeehaw, bad salts, meth and bad salts, bad salts, meth and bad salts, zombie, rednecks, fuck them rednecks, fuck them, they fuck their kids, and they fuck their pets, yeehaw. Bro, I know your ass got some music on your phone, bro. I'm tired of sitting in this quiet ass call with your ass. Bro, you always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright, fine.
Know some young niggas I can hang. Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga slave and a pussy stink. Every day drinking Kool-Aid. Made a light skin bitch my housemate. Loitering with some chicken wings. Whip a slave, watch me whip a slave. If she leave the port, she go get hanged. Oh, for real. I got options, light skin, dark skin niggas right now. Get 'em. And once I hang a nigga, when he go up, he ain't coming down. Fuck, man, I'm hungry, bro. What the fuck, bro? Where the fuck my fork at?
Right there in your fucking hand,
Oh,
your fat ass.
Shit.
Fuck you doing eating a salad anyway?
Bitch,
Can you
I'm-
play some fucking music, bro?
You ain't
This
gotta tell
quiet
me,
ass
bud.
fucking car.
You ain't gotta tell me.
This shit sound like it might crank. Crackers, yo. I don't really care if you're white. I'm still gonna fuck your white wife. I can see the racist sitting in your eyes. I'm gonna fuck her while listening to lies. Your sister fucked your dad. That is why you're mad. You can't go to the beach. The sun makes you turn red. Trump is your best friend. Honky motherfucker shooting schools up off their meds. You crackers smell like pets. You smell like dogs when wet. You are fucking gross. Trifling and shit. White people try to keep black people from reading back in the slave days. White people suck ass. Trump is a little bitch.
Music on your phone. I'm not finna keep sending this quiet ass call with you, bro.
First of all, you need to calm your fucking attitude
Man,
down.
play that shit, bro.
This shit not finna make it not hot.
Bitch, this music hot.
J.E. on the button. J.E. on the button.
Same nigga, bitch. You can't fuck with me if you wanted to. Fuck that chicken and that watermelon and that barbecue. Your little butt got on Jordans and your fucking rent due. And when I see a nigga in my house, I feel uncomfortable. I don't fuck with blacks, white power rules. Why? Said I don't fuck with blacks, white power rules. If I see a nigga out, I'm gon' have to use my news. Said I don't fuck with blacks, white power rules.
Look, bro, I'm not finna keep on sitting in this
Good.
quiet ass car with your Velcro face ass. Fuck a cracker, you got bumps on your face. Ew. Racist police tried to spray me with some mace. God damn. White devil, bitch, your soul filled with hate. Bitch, you mad cause your mama booty flat like pancakes. We can't be friends cause your dad owns some slaves. You go to bars and drink vodka to the face. White bitch, silly cracker took his daughter on a date. Bitch, you ain't know that that was fucking statutory rape. Inbred hoe. Chew tobacco at the NASCAR race. Bitch, you smell like doo-doo, fuck out my face. Ew. Your bitch has got no body, flat booty race. I like young beauty, bitch, you'll die today. Shoot a cracker right through his toupee. White people have no legacy. Fuck white people, you pink looking bitch. White people look like baloney. Fuck white people, you nasty pimple face nasty bitch. Your cousin fucking bitch, your beer drinking, tobacco chewing, cousin fucking bitch.
Raekwon, you're fucking savage for this video. This video was funny as fuck, bro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. The original link will be down in the description below. Follow my social medias. And, this might be my last reaction because I'm trying to do music. So, if you guys don't see me do more reactions by any time, I'm probably not gonna do it no more because I'm trying to do music. But I will be dropping music down soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace.